Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could insert an Excel file inside a PowerPoint presentation. So first open your PowerPoint presentation, check the concerned slide, select it, click inside the concerned slide, for example this one, and now we'll just go to insert section and we'll select object, or we'll click on it. We're going to select create from file, we'll click browse, and here we're going to click on desktop. This is the Excel, or let's find the concerned Excel file. I have it here. I will click OK. I will click display as icon so that I can send it via email. And we're going to click OK. You will need to wait a few seconds. If you have used a password for your Excel file, you will then need to open it and enter the password. Once done, if in case you have a password, the Excel icon shows, and by clicking on it, it should open automatically. Once done, just click save and your task is completed. You can always go ahead with the formatting and you can edit your document as you want and as you like. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.